It breaks my heart to see so many people hating their jobs. And one of the biggest reasons that people hate their jobs is because they feel like their true, real self is not welcome in the workplace. Because if you are willing to show up as a real person and tap into this invisible, hidden information about what's really going on, it creates a tremendous amount of confidence and credibility. You don't have to conform if you don't want to. And in fact, if you are willing to show up as your real self and respect the humanity of others, you will actually be at your most powerful and most credible.